Prosecution's case in the Jam Master Jay murder trial almost went off the rails Thursday, following a line of witness questioning by Assistant United States Attorney Mark Misorek. In fact, the defense moved for a mistrial, a motion Judge LaShawn D.R.C. Hall ultimately denied. It all started with testimony from Denia McDonald, the ex-girlfriend of defendant Ronald Tenard Washington. Washington and co-defendant Carl Jordan are accused of gunning down the legendary Run DMC member, real name Jason Mizell, at point-blank range inside his Jamaica Queens music studio in October 2002. The prosecution's direct examination opened with no issues, with McDonald implicating Washington. Hours before Mizell's murder, McDonald told jurors, quote, "Tenard comes out of the house and had a bulge in his pocket. I asked, what is that? He said, it's a gun, but it's not real." McDonald says Washington then called her after the fact and said, quote, "Jam Master Jay is dead." I said, "What do you mean he's dead?" "He was just alive when I was there." "How do you know?" Tenard said, "Because I was there." McDonald later testified about what she says Washington told her the next day about Mizell's murder. Quote, "I was concerned about my safety, so I asked if he had something to do with it. He basically said yes." But Misorek's next two questions to McDonald prompted Judge Hall to temporarily excuse the jury before she firmly scolded the prosecution for those last two questions, which the judge deemed to be inappropriate and leading in nature. Judge Hall then struck those two questions from the record and addressed the defense motion for a mistrial. Quote, "A mistrial is not appropriate. Motion denied. We are going to fix this now and move forward." It was certainly a close call for the prosecution. We should note that after 2 weeks of testimony, all three defendants, the two who are on trial now and Jay Bryant, who's going to be tried separately, have each been accused of being the actual trigger man. This jury clearly facing a lot of analysis when it's time to reach a verdict.